We go out of town a lot and we have 2 dogs, so we usually have someone either pet sitting or somebody coming and letting in the dogs or letting the dogs out, feeding them, a bunch of different things. So I needed to get something that I would be able to watch whoever's coming in my house. I have one of these outside, so it's not too hard to set up. So I got this one for the inside of our house, and it's super easy to set up. All you have to do is take it out of the packaging, download an app, boom, that simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and then walk y'all through everything. Okay, so as you can see, I have my camera all set up. All you need to do is plug it in. It comes with a box, the cord, and you're gonna need to download the app. The app is super easy to use, and it took me 5 seconds to set it up and everything. You just need to make an account, and since I already had an account, I just logged in. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit of what the app does and how to use it. So as you can see, there's me and that's my camera. So the camera is pointed just a little bit towards me. The arrows are going to make it go in different directions. Just like that. Down, up. And you can live talk or video chat. So that's a little bit about that. This means that there's no sound on right now. So this right here is going to be the flash. As you can see, my screen went white, but that's because the camera is facing upwards. This is going to be the history. This is going to be if you have a Sims card in there. So like I said, super easy to use. You can also take pictures on there, and you can take videos. And as you can see, you have a button to ring right there, so you'll get the notification on your phone if somebody rings you. It also tells you the date, the time, and what the weather is like. So this definitely is a great thing to have in my house, especially with visitors coming in and out. So if you're looking for a camera to have inside, outside, wherever, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.